Hi friends, in this video I wanted to show you how to make Semiya Upma in a healthy way. In a heated pan, I have taken 2 tablespoons of olive oil and then I am adding vegetables. Carrot and green chilies, capsicum. I have cut it into small pieces. Tomatoes. With the tomatoes it will be little tangy flavor, so it is so tasty. And green peas, and then stew it well. Now I am adding salt according to the taste. And I am adding water. For 1 cup of semiya, I am adding 1.5 cup of water. And let this water to be boiled. For this mixture, I am adding ragi semiya. So in that way it is very much healthy. Stir this well and let it cook for 10 minutes. Our upma is ready.